HYLN stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only person in this space with 40,000 videos made, and I'm telling you with the proof on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, and it's all on my YouTube channel, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and more so documented everything. HYLN slowly but surely reaching inside the supply zone, right? And I've been very kind of iffy for HYLN, pretty much because it's a bearish range, you know. And the one time where I'm going to begin to kind of, let's say, be bullish is if I see full candle closes above 191. I mean, I can definitely tell you that we're close, you know. Post market it's a little bit down, but it's a supply zone, mate, you know. So even in a supply zone, if I see some sort of a double break, the rules are still correct, where I might even go with the sell side as long as the rules are met, right? And there is actual double break. But if that is not met, then I'm not going to sell. You know, I'm just saying, your rules must be met. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.